Want to generate hundreds of automated video clips instantly using pure Python? In this video, you will build a complete voiceover bot that automates audio-visual clip production from scratch. Welcome! Today we are building a voiceover bot, a Python script designed for mass clip production. Whether you are generating educational snippets, marketing shorts, or automated social media content, doing it manually is tedious. By leveraging Python's standard library, we can orchestrate text processing, data templates, and automated file generation without installing heavy third-party tools. Let's look at how the production pipeline flows from raw text data all the way to final packaged clip scripts. Before writing code, let's understand our pipeline. Mass clip production relies on a strict sequential process. First, we load our source data containing script lines and metadata. Second, we parse and format each entry into individual scene instructions. Third, we simulate voiceover generation and timing blocks. Finally, we output organized project directories ready for rendering. This modular approach ensures that if one step fails, our entire batch job doesn't crash catastrophically. Let's write our first snippet. We will define a structured list of dictionaries representing our script database. In a real-world bot, this might load from a JSON or CSV file, but keeping it internal makes our script fully self-contained. We will iterate through these entries and print out their basic properties to verify our data structure is sound. When producing clips at scale, bad data will break your renderer. You need robust validation checks before any processing begins. Every script entry must contain valid text, a positive duration, and a unique identifier. By categorizing errors early, we save hours of debugging downstream. Let's compare a naive approach against our validated pipeline approach to see why upfront checks matter so much. Now let's implement a validation function in Python. We will check that each record has non-empty text and a positive integer duration. If an item fails validation, our script will flag it and skip it rather than crashing. This ensures our mass production bot remains resilient even when fed messy or incomplete data sources. Speech synthesis requires precise timing calculations. Standard speaking rates average about 150 words per minute, or roughly 2.5 words per second. Our bot needs to estimate audio duration based on word count when actual text-to-speech timing metadata is unavailable. Understanding this relationship helps us pace visual transitions and background music tracks effectively across each generated clip. Let's write a helper function to calculate estimated voiceover duration based on word count. We split the string by whitespace, count the words, and divide by our words per second pacing factor. We will also enforce a minimum padding duration so short clips never feel abrupt or jarring to the viewer. Mass production creates hundreds of files. Without a strict directory hierarchy, your project folder quickly turns into chaos. We organize our bot outputs into clean subdirectories, one for manifests, one for generated voiceover scripts, and another for final project bundles. Organizing assets hierarchically allows external rendering engines to pick up assets reliably without manual intervention. Let's use Python's built-in pathlib and OS modules to construct our output directories and generate script text files automatically. We will simulate creating a batch output folder structure and writing individual scene files for each item in our validated script database. This demonstrates how a bot handles physical file system output at scale. As you expand your voiceover bot, you can layer on advanced features. From automated subtitle timestamp generation to multi-language translation hooks and dynamic background music mixing, the architecture remains lightweight. Reviewing these potential feature modules helps you plan your next iterations once the core generation loop is fully operational and stable. Let's tie everything together into a complete, self-contained bot orchestration script. We will combine data loading, validation, duration estimation, and file generation into a single cohesive runner function. Run this code to watch your simulated voiceover bot process a batch of clips and report its final production summary. Congratulations! You have successfully built a voiceover bot in Python for mass clip production. You learned how to structure pipeline workflows, validate input data, estimate speech pacing, and organize file outputs using only the Python standard library. From here, you can connect your bot to real text-to-speech APIs or video rendering libraries to fully automate your content creation pipeline. Thank you for watching, and happy coding!